Hello everybody. Today I would like to teach the song Waka Waka by Shakira and Freshly Ground. Now this song was popular in 2010 during the World Cup in South Africa. So I'm going to start teaching the melody that is going to be played by the piccolo, Waka Waka. So I'm going to play the whole part of the melody through and then I'll come back and break it down. Right, so I'll just stop here and then I'm going to break it down, teach the whole melody up to the point where I stopped. Okay, you start on the key C. Actually, the whole song is in the key of C. Right, C, you go to D. C, 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 D, C. And then B, 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 C, B. You're actually going to your left. C, 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 D, C. B, 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 C, B. After that, you're going C, C, B, A, C, C, B, A, C, C, B, A, C. Okay, from the beginning again. C, 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 D, C, followed by B, 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 C, B, and then C, C, B, A, C, C, B, A, C, C, B, A, C. All right, from the beginning again up to there. Now we're going to move on. Now you're going to right. C, 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 D, E. And then B, 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 C, D. So C, 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 D, E. And then B, 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 C, D. And then again, C, C, B, A, C, C, B, A, C, C, B, A, D. Like the first part. Again, the second part. C, 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 D, E. B, 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 C, D, C, C, B, A, C, C, B, A, C, C, B, A, C. Great. Now I'm going to start from the beginning up to where I've just stopped. All right, to move on. Right, that part, you go C, D, C, E, and you roll on that E. C, D, C, E, G, E. So you do that twice. So C, D, C, E, G, E, and then again C, D, C, E, G, E. Right, after that, C, 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 D, C. One more time, C, 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 D, C. C, 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 D, C, D, 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 E, C, D. C, 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 D, C, D, 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 E, C, D. One more time, C, 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 D, C, D, 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 E, C, D. E, 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 C, C, A, C, A, G. That part. E, 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 C, C, A, C, A, G. Then to end, E, C, C, A, A, C. E, C, C, A, A, C. So, one more time. All right, now the whole melody from the beginning. Right, so that is the first melody. After that, we move on. Okay, let me play the second part of that melody. I'll play it through and then come back to it and break it down again. Right, so that's the next part of the variation. We start off on C and E. So you're going C, E, C, E, C, E, C, C, E, C, E, C, C, E, C, E, C. One more time. C, E, C, E, C. And then G, F, E, D, G, F, E, D, G, F, E, D, C, E, C, E, C, G, F, E, D. So you roll on the G. G, F, E, D. You actually play it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1. C, E, C, E, C, G, F, E, D. Right. C, E, C, E, C, G, F, E, D. Next, B, D, B, D, B. And then back to G, F, E, D. So you just swap between C and E and B and D. So C, E, C, E, C. And then B, D, B, D, B. Next, A, C, A, C, A. A. The A higher. So you go A, C, A, C, A. Followed by again A, C, A, C, A. And then F. So you're going A, C, A, C, A. A, C, A, C, A, F. Right, that whole melody. Right, I know it's a bit tricky, but you can just start working on it slowly. Right, just stop up to there and just play those 2. Until you're confident that you got them right, and then you can move on. That's the last 2. So you got the whole thing from the beginning. All right, so we got our 2 parts all sorted. Now I'm going to play one more time from the beginning, first part and then the second part. Now we've got variation 1 and variation 2 for Waka Waka. Next, we're going to move to the 3rd variation. Now I'm going to play it through, same as I did with the other variations, and then come back to it to break it down. One more time. All right. Now, from the beginning. So you start from the G on your right. G, 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 C, C, C. One more time. One, two, three, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right. And then D, D, E, D, C. D, D, E, D, C. All right. And then G, E, C. G, E, C. G, E, C. G, E, C. So we play that twice through. One more time. And then D, C, 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 D, C, D, 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 E, C, D, 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 C, sorry, C, 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 D, C, D, 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 E, C, D. And then the last part. G, 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 E, F, E, D, C. G, 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 E, F, E, D, C. And then G, 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 G. All right. All right, so that is the third part. And then the next part is going to be the ending of the song. So you're going to play octaves, C and C. Going to go C, 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 G, 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 A, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 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 G, G, C, 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 1, 2, G, 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 1, 2, A, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 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 G. One last time. C, 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 1, 2, G, 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 A, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 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 G, G, and then end. All right. Okay, now I'm going to go through from the beginning, from the first variation up to the ending. And then the arrangement of the song is that after I finish playing that, I go back again to the beginning. But for now, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go straight to the third part. That's the end. That's the melody part for the piccolo for Waka Waka. I hope you enjoy learning the piece. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.